Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to delete a publication or your content on Issuu. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. This tutorial will be based on their official website. And as you can see here, it says you can easily remove content that you have uploaded to your Issuu account. Once the content has been deleted, it cannot be recovered. You can upload the same document again, but it will not carry the statistics of the previously uploaded version. A cache of the deleted content may be available in search engines for some time until index is updated. Once it is updated, search engines will remove any reference to your content. From there, what we need to do in order for us to delete the documentation is to follow the following instructions. First is to simply go to Publications from the side navigation menu, and from there, find the content you want to delete, click the More button, and click Delete Publications. As you can see here, it is clearly illustrated in visuals, wherein you need to click this button on the bottom on the right side of your screen and simply click this delete publication, and then it says a dialog box will pop up and you will be asked to confirm the document deletion. You will have to select delete to remove the document from your Issuu account, and from there, that is how you simply delete your publication or your content on Issuu. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.